Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable or disable notifications in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, something like this will open up. Now let's look at how to enable or disable notifications. Initially, what we need to do is simply go to Profile. The button's right here next to Chats. Simply click on it and this will open up. Right here is your profile. What we want to do is simply go to Settings. At the top right, here are these two buttons that are this gear-like icon and this Edit Profile button. I'm simply going to go to Settings, so I'm going to click on this button right here. Then this will open up. That's the settings page. Well, here's basic info, notifications, privacy and everything. But right now, let's only focus on notifications. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then these things will open up like messages, matches and everything. Let's go to each and one of them. I'm simply gonna click on messages. And as you can see, the notifications are turned off. As we want to enable our notifications, let's simply toggle on this button. Likewise, let's do the same for every one of these tabs. Well, as you can see, the notifications are disabled. Simply toggle on these buttons and follow along for all these tabs. Well guys, that's it. That's how we enable or disable notifications in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.